If you're struggling with having a flawless makeup routine, you don't know what pairs well with it or even what you should be doing as far as skin prep, especially SPF. You're a brown girl and maybe you just don't know which ones to use that don't make you ashy. This is going to be the video for you. We're going to quickly go ahead and discuss what SPFs are really great to go ahead and wear with your makeup. Welcome back to my series on troubleshooting your makeup so you can figure out what you're doing wrong so that you can have the makeup of your dreams. So let's go ahead and get into it. And we're going to talk a little bit about SPF. So SPF does matter, having some type of sun protection. We actually do need that. I like to keep it really simple. I like to think that SPFs need to have a little bit of hydration in them, and then having something that you can pair just to go ahead and give a light little dusting after your makeup to go ahead and reapply is something that we need. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you some recommendations that really work well, especially when you are using your all-in-one custom makeup palette, because having this makeup has really simplified makeup routines for so many women, especially brown skin women. Plus you can build it in the sizes that you want and build your custom over time or right away. So let's talk about the SPFs that I recommend. And I love these ones. These are going to be ones that really do work for all skin types whenever you do put it on. The first one that I love that you guys see me use is the Paula's Choice. And this is a really great SPF. This one is the Paula's Choice Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid Broad Spectrum SPF 50. This one hydrates the heck out of your skin and I love it. If you have oily or combination skin, there's no need to even put on a moisturizer in your morning skincare routine. You can just go right in with this one and put this one and let this serve as your moisturizer and your SPF. It's hydrating to the skin. It's going to continue to hydrate the skin underneath your makeup. It doesn't separate your makeup. Plus, no white cast, so we don't even have to worry about the white cast. This is my top one that I recommend all of the time, and it works so well. Next up, we're going to go with another hydrating SPF. This one is by Tree. I love this one. This one was kind of hard to find for a little while. I think it like went viral and then it was hard to even get it and find. However, I'm going to link all the ones that I recommend, including this one, down below in the description. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel SPF. This is a really great SPF. It's a SPF 50 as well. This is also like a Korean SPF. So I'm sorry, I think they know exactly what they're doing when it comes to a lot of skincare and especially SPF. This one is really hydrating to the skin. When you put it on, it absorbs well into the skin and it does not leave a white cast. You don't have to worry about it separating. This is also another good SPF to wear underneath your makeup. It doesn't feel heavy and it just goes on nice and well. You don't need a moisturizer. If you have a combination of oily skin, this will serve you very well. Even if you have dry to normal skin, this does really great. And if you want to pair it with a moisturizer, you definitely can. If you have dry to normal skin, you're going to get a lot of hydration out of this one as well. Now, those are my top favorite two. A close third that I'm completely out of and I need to get another one because I could not find it is the Beauty by Jizon. This one is so hydrating. I recommend that one if you have dry skin, really kind of dry skin, and you need a lot more hydration. That one by Beauty by Jizon is just amazing. I'll make sure that I link it. It's up on the screen. You guys have seen it. Love this one and love their products. It's just a really good moisturizer. Plus it absorbs well into the skin. You don't have to worry about a white cast. Now, outside of that, we're going to jump into two different SPF sunscreens that are in spray edition, so that way you can go ahead and reapply. This is perfect for in the summer or in the spring and you're outside at an event or you're on vacation. You need to go ahead and reapply SPF, and you definitely should be, but if you're wearing makeup or you just want to have one to go ahead and spray on your face, these are the two that I definitely would recommend. Up first We have Milani has Make It Last. This is their sunscreen setting spray in SPF 30. Works really well. It's going to help you with that UVB, UVA protection. You have what you need. You spray it over top of your makeup. You don't have to worry about your makeup separating. Make sure that you do shake it well. It is a setting spray before you go ahead and reapply. And you should be reapplying, they say like 90 minutes. I'm reapplying like every 60 to 80 minutes when I'm outside for a long period of time. This would be a great one. It's a great drugstore buy to go ahead and get for reapplying your SPF over top of makeup, or if you're not wearing makeup at all, this is still a really great one to go ahead and spray. Next, we have an SPF 30 by Kula. This is a really great one to go ahead and use. It does not clog your pores, and it has been dermatologist tested. This one is cruelty-free and it's a vegan type of setting spray. It's also an SPF. So this one literally was made for a makeup setting spray that is also a sunscreen setting spray if you are wearing your makeup. Works really great. I love the bottle that it actually even comes in, and it does a really great job of giving you the protection that you need as well. This is your second option to be able to have really great protection when you're out in the sun, when you're wearing your makeup that doesn't have your makeup separate, and also just gives you that nice cooling feel whenever you're out on those hot summer nights or hot summer days or at the beach, whether you're wearing makeup or not. This is a great one to go ahead and have. I am obsessed about SPF. If you're not wearing SPF and you're having a lot of issues, even with your skin and your skincare not working, I'm going to challenge you to just include an SPF in your skincare routine. It will definitely make the biggest difference for the results that you're trying to receive. You'll receive results a lot faster. I cannot talk today. You will receive results a lot faster if you are implementing an SPF in your routine. Also, just because you're wearing makeup does not mean that you don't need an SPF. These are great options to be able to go and have. Brown girl friendly as well. Also the options to go ahead and reapply. Let me know down in the comments, which ones have you tried? Do you like? If there's any other ones that you like or even want me to go ahead and try, I've tried several. I like these because they work. I like them because they're hydrating. I also like them because I can go ahead and wear it and have the protection that I need. Don't have to worry about a white cast or it even burning my eyes. I've tried a lot of different SPFs that have, you guys, they have failed the test because I either look ashy or my eyes were watering and burning so much throughout the day. I just could not stand it. These are my top favorites listed down in the description down below. I will see you in the next series episode.